And I hope, no matter what generation, no matter the progress of all the digital communication, technology, and the likes, remain the GMRC. Kibaw mo say GMRC? Unsa man? Sige, kusga. Unsay meaning GMRC? Good manners and right conduct. No barriers of generation sa GMRC. Good manners and right conduct. Kana, practice that wherever you go. In your home, in your workplace, in your school, in your playground, wherever you go. And you will never lose track of being a good citizen of this country. Kana lang yun. Ayaw na ninyo magtanga. Kaya mo na pinaka-importante. Go back to the basic. No? Inyong values, inyong morals, nagitudlo sa inyong ginikanan. Because you will be a good student, a good person, and a good citizen by practicing your good morals and right conduct, no?